Okay, so now we're going to look at last in, first out. Last in, first out, periodic method, periodic inventory. So I went ahead and put these numbers on here. Hopefully you watched the last video, see if I got those, but I got my total available for sale number of 2,100 units. Total units sold, which I found just by taking all my sales, the 700, the 360, and the 240, and adding them together. And then my units remaining in inventory would be 800, and that's simply how many I had available for sale minus how many I actually sold. Now, since we're using LIFO, last in, first out, remember with FIFO, I started from the top, the oldest, and came down to get my 1,300 units. So you would kind of guess maybe with LIFO, I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to start from the newest ones and count up until I get my 1,300 units. So I sold all 600 at 23.30. I sold all 500 at 22.40 because I'm still not to 1,300. But how many is that total? That's 1,100. So I need another 200 at $20 per unit. And that times that. So now I can get my total cost of goods sold. So all I did was went LIFO, so last in, first out. So I started here and I started counting up until I got to a total of 1,300 units because that was how many units I actually sold. So my 600, my 500 didn't take care of all of it, so I needed an additional 200 from this layer here. So I have 1,000 units there and I used 200 of them in my cost of goods sold, so I have 800 units left. It's all from one layer, so it's pretty straightforward, just the $20 layer. So my total ending inventory is simply going to be 16,000, which is the 800 units I have remaining times the cost of $20 that I have remaining. And that would be all really for LIFO periodic method.